Matt, number 6. Number 6 coming on the course. Matt McCourt.
No bear spray.
Bear daddy.
No bear spray.
Bearless. He's bearless. I mean, he's naked. I mean, he don't have any bear spray. I'm sorry.
If you're a wrangler, be careful what you grab. Might be bear spray.
Did you hear that story about the bear spray?
Yeah, I was there. I saw it.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Matt, bear spray McCoy.
Looking good so far?
Matt's bear spray.
Keep your eye on the ball. That would be bearless balls for you. That's what that throttle's for. He did it! He did it! That's all right. Get a wider turn that way. Don't fall in the hole. I heard he was going to launch it right here. Watch out. He did it!
Then up to the trees, right? Then up to the top. Then the spinny thing. Then up to the tires.
We had in mind there was going to be mud in that slalom. That's why they're so wide. But with it dry, it's effortless. Last week when it was spun plumb out and fell down in it because it was so muddy, but it dried that much. Come on, Matt! Hey, Matt, catch your breath. Ain't no rush. Take a second. You come that teeter-totter. Ain't nothing to it. Heading into the woods. Watch that rut in the middle. He missed it. Look at that.
Fuck. Sorry. Ah, cock. Fuck! What the fuck did I slip on? Fuck! I'm good. Son of a bitch. What did I hit? Fuck! Huh? Yes, my pride. And my camera fucking fell off. Oh, I smashed the fuck out of that. I don't know. Well, ah, fuck. Holy shitballs.